Hi everyone, welcome to Learn with Hassan.
Today I'm here to show you how you can create PayPal account here in Ghana. Yes, a working PayPal account that you can transact any business with online. So as you know, Ghana is blacklisted from using PayPal, and we will find a way of creating PayPal accounts that will be accessible here in Ghana. So without wasting much time, let's start by opening our browser. You go to the search bar over there, you type in paypal.com like this, and then you type in / and then you type in ls. Because Ghana is blacklisted from the list of countries that can use PayPal, we will use a different country, which is Lesotho, and it will give us access to verify our account so that it will work here in Ghana. So the ls at the end of the address signifies Lesotho. So after that, let's enter. Now we've entered into PayPal's website, and when you get inside it, you are supposed to sign up for a new account. So let's go for sign up, and here you can see two account categories over here. We have personal account and then a business account. For us, we will go for the business account because for the personal account it will be very difficult for us to verify. So let's go for the business account and click on continue. After that, here you are supposed to put in the email address. Here you are supposed to put in the email address that you'll be using for PayPal. And here the email address is very important because you are supposed to provide a working email address over here, because after creating the PayPal account, whatever you will be doing with the PayPal account, whether receiving money or sending money, you will be using the email address. So make sure it's a working email address and you have access to. So let me put in my email address here. Now I'm putting in my email address. After you are done, you click on continue. And here you are supposed to provide a strong password, because here we are dealing with money. PayPal is all about money, so you make sure the password that you are providing is a good password, a strong one that will be very difficult for other people to use. So let's type in our password. As you can see, if you do everything correct, all these green things will highlight. So I'm done with my password. So after you are done, you click on continue, and now here you are supposed to provide details about your business here. Provide your name here. First of all, it's supposed to be your name. So I'll put in my name here, and here you are supposed to put your business name. After putting your business name, you come down here. You are supposed to put your phone number here. And remember, we are using Lesotho as our country, but you are in Ghana. So when you provide the number for Lesotho, it wouldn't work. You can't be able to verify your account. So here, you choose your country over here. I'm in Ghana, so I will choose Ghana here. And you select Ghana. As you can see, this is the Ghana flag, and our code is 233. And here you put in the phone number you want to verify with. So I will put in my phone number. After putting in your phone number, you come to the address section. The address section, you provide your address here. So I provided my address here. So here is supposed to be address, first address. Here your city. So you put in your city, and here your region. I'm in Ashanti region, so, and here the country code. The country code for Ghana is 00233, like this, and you are done. So I suggest the currency, you leave it as US dollars here. So after that, you check this box here, and then you click on agree and continue. We have a new interface here. So we are supposed to describe the business we are doing. So I'll go for sole proprietorship or individual, and you choose the product or service you offer. So I'll go for marketing. Let me say marketing. Let me say marketing, and then choose this one. Website is optional, so if you like, you can put in your website here, and after that you click on continue. So after that, you'll be given this section to tell more about yourself. So you put in your date of birth here. Put in your date of birth, and then your nationality. Here too is very important. Make sure you choose your current country or where you live now, right now. So I'm in Ghana. I'll select Ghana, and then you choose the identification document you want to use. You have national ID here, you have passport here, and then you have driver's license here. So the one that you feel comfortable with, then you choose. For me, I will choose national ID. When you choose the national ID, you are supposed to provide the number of the national ID in the space at the bottom. So you type in the number of the ID. So after typing the number of the ID, you make sure this box is selected. Yeah, same as business address. So, and then you submit. So let's click submit. Now after submitting, you can see our account has opened here. The name we provided, Hassan Affiliate, and then my name, and as you can see, I have my balance here. I have my balance here, and I have money in, money out. Because the account is a new account, there's nothing in it. So the bottom here, it is saying that we should confirm our email address and we should link a card. So for us to be able to use the PayPal account to do whatever we want to use it for, we are supposed to confirm our email address here. We are supposed to make sure that the email address we provided is active. So let's get into our email address. This is our email address we provided for the account, and let's confirm it here. This is the confirmation message that we are supposed to confirm, as you can see from PayPal. And let me click on it, and after clicking on it, it came like this. So we are supposed to confirm. So let me put in my password. So let me click on confirm, and now our account is confirmed. As you can see, everything is working down here correctly, and here we are supposed to add or link our card, and linking the card will be in another video. So this is how to create PayPal account here in Ghana for your online businesses. Please subscribe to the channel, and as well you can hit the notification bell for you to get notified whenever we upload a video, and also you can share the video for it to help others too. Leave whatever comment you have at the comment section below. I will answer, or I will attend to every comment you leave down there. Thank you for watching. I'm out.